T-Boss don't come bust everywhere. Oh, hey. Una need to watch this video, not be small thing. Oh, Sarah T-Boss finish all some of those presenters we no one hear word. Oh, my people, not be small thing. Una need to come watch this video. Una need to see wetin me I see for this video. Hey, now so una be for social media. Now so una be. My darling people, make una come watch this video with me. Mona, see the reason why they provoke like this. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Please share the video. Let the video go viral. This matter so we just the una need to watch this video, my people. No, only my ear not go hear this one. No, my darling people. Before you start to the watch, make you subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.
They go find the day now find and go as go beat. Why they never still beat that day for that UK? And the day na exact, right? The day na wish, and the day na baika. Evil. And this one baika they had the mama or what baika ever him. See, 2022 go rugged. And now what Asia Bruce no work on you when it be like rope. Mama and Bruce be like rope. Wagwala yo tesan. Here salobwa. Back by 2022. As far as they don't near you. See, now wato. Hey, one no. And for me, I be one man squad though. I am a one man squad. But if Rita need my financially otherwise and all. Yes, now because this is pure evil. Rita never do that. They talk to Rita, Rita talk to them. No, Queen Rita no bring their mama. Fair bring their mama. They come they fast. Want to bring that woman come on? Like, are you kidding me? And a Beatrice here. They can take care. The evil adulterous as she will. Where is she? I been a Monica you want to. A Monica we are ta. A Monica no war or Mohammed. When he pull rope husband for us, like no be husband, cause that's not a husband. When he pull rope, if that one you sit down, it go be like wait if breeze your blowing, it go blow that match away. Or what your way. Now so your mama your be easy na he can. Imama na ikan, no be so yo ye na ikan. Ija Brucey, no where holy go, oh ye ikan. They can amu a bunny. Get the way if you go for that one body. People will be say they are not okay. Now the fact they do. Imagine snapping. Emugu got. Every tamameti we zebi. If you no nick you zebi. And I'm your boy no way zeb. You know, he said like he go zeb you. Kona so you do for lovete ikioja. Bring down a papa. Inyamana yo sisi ya belu wane they shoot na not be saying for Nigeria. They were not talking about Nigeria. Oh, wamana who look like me bonane, eh? And I will stop some things. Because emi soon we bona you. Emi soon we bona. You know how many black or Igbo dog kiss away when they don't investigate? Now my investigator married to na black man, a black you know, like who cares? They don't give a fuck. Man, this is Igbo care about you. Yeah. And when your dog moves away, your dog died, now you know whether they care or they not care. Oh, Igbo land. Now all of their people and they spend money. No put that idiot. No, that idiot when you're at last. That one. Sweetie. Anyway, it's good. You feel like anybody in short. Just that I don't want to see that name. That name they. I know official this food. Yet eat UFO, but you don't even say this food is just too sweet. Eat UFO. I'll chop and finish. How can Ketekia is evil? Make una run. Ketekia is evil. Ketekia na second Monekia. They are evil, full of evil. And thank God, some of my fans, a lot of my fans will be saying, I couldn't share the idiot for my page then. Because of me, many of them, many don't they unfollow and now. You know you are my fans. I couldn't say that idiot because move down. And I am your care. No go see your care because what thing she do to my fans when it because of me follow her because I was sharing her to my page. What did she do today? I can't play audio. I know they play down. I know they talk. What did that Ketekia do today? Because through me, she not get fans. I share her, that idiot on my page. Now my people take follow her. They even follow that useless page. And if you know see my fans, you go. If you want to see search her, you can search her. Unfollow her. She be there. And if you know say you they call her. You they call her, not call that idiot for advice. I just go beg you. Or he will make you do what you will regret for your life. He will make you do what you will regret. Thank God, many don't they call me, they talk, they don't, since when this whole thing starts, many when they become me follow, they don't they unfollow her. They don't they unfollow her, they don't they block her. Because me, I don't block her. I don't follow because I made the mistake of sharing that idiot on my page. Because as I share her for my page, many of my fans, they come go, they watch that goat. They watch that goat, they follow that goat, that devil incarnate. See they do to Mama Rita. That idiot, this one not be person say make Mama do ashiyewo for bedroom. Not be person say make you use Mama do balance and carry. Now this evil conspiracy she was doing, I said no. This is what you hear when they talk just now. She was there inside. Thank you, sweetie. Promise. Unfollow and block her. Say that the T-boy. Yes, so I will the chest. My fans go they follow her. They follow useless idiot like that because I got a share up for my page now. You know I got a page, man. And anyway, soon. Cause when you get fans, they like you. Because of me. They don't consider okay, I they share her. I will be friends that time. Let the consider follow on. That was what happened. She not get one single fans. She not get one single anyway. Now people, because people we don't think about this thing now, like you know. And when she say I get fans, I like before I open page, they nah. In follow me. She go they report my page. This one the same person when me use my page to build again. I will make sure say that evil boss for a belly. Eketekia. I will make sure say that evil he boss for a belly. This one are the person when me share for my page. He can't they report my own page. See how people they evil. He can't they go live with Mugu goat to bring Mama Rita picture command. You see the evil. Make una run for that idiot, oh. That idiot. Oh, don't go in the Facebook. Here. Oh, don't go in Facebook, you know. No be with her and say make use Mama do balance and carry. Evidence. People when and Mama bought she got they stay for road walk. Mama Rita not do okpo, you know do as she the fat person. That's why she they call Rita Mama. No, Rita Mama not do okpo. Here Rita Mama okpo, Mama shewo. Faith, faith and your mama. mama. One of my friend make I call her name for Bibao and your mama. This one will be tell you. That one at the talk. Oh, he said no. Confirm. And you know it. You know say your man or no. Now you the same person, mama, when you want put so that they'll call it say, hey, no, mama they talk never no never. In Nigeria job here, all beer, all your what dog, is when I bonda phone on a berawa. Then no matter what to agbashi. You see how useless your family are. Is when I bera on a berawa. Then no matter what boru, there we bo nona do bashewo, on a do agbashewo. Mami so na doing. Good afternoon, sweetie. Good afternoon. Thank God, my fans. They don't unfollow me. When they follow her because of me. Because I was sharing her. You know how many? They don't unfollow her. It's when I see the evil, when they do to me. When they talk, and it can't even do evil to my fans. People, when it because of me, no, because they call them. They follow them. If you see waiting, that idiot